Hi, today I'm for the Infinix Note 12 Pro and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the sound and vibration. Here we'll see the don't disturb mode. We can turn it on or turn it off by using the switcher. We can allow calls, SMS, notifications from many people's apps, to set the schedule of the don't disturb mode, and to change the duration for quick settings, or to display options for hiding notifications. Let's go back. If you want to use the haptic vibration, just click on the switcher. You can change also the vibration feedback to the lowest or highest. Let's go back. Also we can change here the DTS sound mode for the smart music, video or game, or use equalizer also. Here we can see the volume panels, the media, alarm, ringtones and notifications. We can change them just by switch and slide it to the left or to the right side with our finger. Here we can change the ringtones for scene 1, 2 for notifications and alarm tones. If you want to increase the incoming ringtone, you should use the switcher. Just to turn it on and turn it off, you should click it. And here we can see the sound and vibration settings. We can change it from vibration to the silence, or just to turn it off. Also we can make it by press power and volume up button together. If you want to use the vibration for calls, never, always, or first and ring gradually, you should just switch it by this way. Tap to OK to save the changes, and in advanced options we can turn on or turn off the dial button, screen lock, unlock sound, charging sound and touch sound. Just to turn on or turn off these options, we should click on each of the switcher. So that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our Infinix device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.